Okay, I am going to differentiate the function, and you could do this the long way using the product rule, but it's much simpler if we use distribution first. So I'm going to leave it as g of x, and I'm just going to distribute. So I'll have the 3, and adding the exponents, -3 plus 4 gives me x to the first. Then we'll go here. 3 times -3 is -9. And I'm writing x, but -3 plus 3 is 0, which means that that's x to the 0, or times 1. So it leaves us with just -9. Okay, continuing on here. We'll have 3 times 15 gives us a positive 45. And remember, there's the unseen exponent here, so adding the exponents, -3 plus 1 gives me x to the -2. And then finally, 3 times -6 is -18, and we bring the x to the -3 along. So I haven't done any differentiation yet. I just distributed. Now I'm going to find the derivative. So g prime of x, the derivative of 3x is just 3 because the x drops off. The derivative of a -9 is 0 because the derivative of any constant is 0, so that's gone. Moving on to the 45x to the -2, when we use the power rule, we're going to multiply the 45 times -2, which will give us a -90. And we're going to have to subtract 1 from the exponent, and so that will give us an x to the -3rd. And then again, we will multiply here the -18 times the -3 exponent, which will give us a positive 54. And again, just as a reminder, we're going to have to subtract 1 from the exponent, making it a -4. So we will end up with x to the -4. And that's the derivative.